Okay, guys, today we're doing again present continuous, but this one, for this time, we have some more usage because it's pre-intermediate. So we will start like this. English file, pre-intermediate. Okay, pre-intermediate, it's 1C, 1C, grammar, present continuous. ده مصنف پیشتر هم امیر تشریح کردم. I just had this session, I think last day, I mean yesterday, sorry for that. Yesterday we had this session. So present continuous, please turn off your mics. Everyone turn off your mics, please. Please turn off your mics. Okay, so first of all, there are many uses for this one. So the usage of present continuous, maybe you know present continuous because it's easy. We talk about those things. So firstly, present continuous talks about the things, the actions that are in progress, now. Okay. For example, we are studying grammar. So this action is what? It's in progress now. Next example, they what are they doing? No, let's make it this one. He is playing games on his phone. He's playing games on his phone. To make this one very specific, that you are talking about something which is right now, but when it's like at the moment, people know that they will get your message that you are talking about something that is in progress. But for this one, we can add now as a time expression, now or at the moment. You can add both, okay? So as well as for this one, we can do it now or at the moment. Now or at the moment. Next one, number 2, means the second usage for present continuous is it is used for temporary things that are happening now or this week or you can say or for a short period of time. Okay, for example, my brother is doing 2 month course in the UK. My brother is doing 2 months course in the UK. That means it's for a short time. Okay, it's not for a longer time. In 2 months he will finish it. So what did we say? It is used for temporary things for temporary things that are happening now, this week, for example, this week, or for a short time period of time, Okay, now or this week. Next example. Okay, I'm living with my uncle on my holidays, or we can say on my vacations. I'm living with my uncle on my vacations. Okay, so this is for a short time. It is true, or it will finish in a short time, and it's a temporary action. Okay, next usage is to describe. Next usage is to describe a picture. Okay, how? For example, you say, in the picture. Yeah, you're describing a picture now. So you say, in the picture, the man is wearing a suit. He is talking on the phone, and he is smiling. So what I said, I'm talking about a picture. For example, let me show you a picture from your book. Okay, let me show you a picture from your book. Like this picture. Let me share this screen with you guys. Okay, let me. Okay, can you see this picture? So I want to describe this picture because present continuous is used to describe picture. So what I say that, let me make it full screen. This picture, I want to talk about this picture. So I say, the woman is standing. In the picture, the woman is standing, the man is sitting. Okay, and the man is smoking. There is a smoke in his hand, if you see this one. Okay, and that's it. The woman is wearing a long dress. So what is this? This is for, because I'm describing a picture, so I'm using present continuous. Okay, very easy. Now let's go to another usage, and let's go to the other definitions and other things. Okay, there are no other definitions today. We will be talking only about these three. For example, the first one was the action that is in progress. Okay, next one is it is used for temporary actions. Next one, to describe a picture, you use present continuous. Okay, so those of you who doesn't know the structure for this tense, the structure is very easy, and for the structure we had another session as well, and you can take help from that session as well. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, let's talk about affirmative sentences, or the structure for affirmative sentences. For example, I say, I am working on my project this week. I'm working on a project this week. First, what we have, subject, and then we have to be. Let me write it, then I will explain. And the verb takes ing form. And then we have what we have. Okay, and then ing form, and then we have, of course, complement. Okay, and you can say they are cooking dinner. So here, listen, look at this one, guys. This is our subject I, means who's the doer of the action is I, and to be, this is the helping verb of present continuous, to be. And then we have verb, and this verb is in ing form. And then we have complement. Easy? Okay. So next, let's go for, this is affirmative, means affirmative. If you don't know what does it mean, let me put it this way. Positive sentences. Okay. So next one we have, next is negative sentences. Okay. I'll put it this way. Ali is not working today. Ali is not working today. We have subject. First we have subject, and then we have to be. Our to be will change according to the, yes, according to the subject, as or am. You put the to be as it is asked to. For example, here we have a singular form, so we use as. Okay, and then we have verb in ing form, and then we have complement. Okay, students are not attending the class today. So we can say the students are not attending the class this week. Okay, means they're not coming for the class this week. Yep. Okay, that's it. And then we have questions or question form. Yep. The question says, the question form is like this. Okay. Are you working? Very easy. Are you working now? Let me put a complement as well now to make it. Okay, are you working now? So first we have to be, and then we have subject, and then we have verb. Our verb takes ing form, and then we have complement, and then we have question. Yeah, so what do? You answer like this: yes, I am. Or you can say, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay, and then we have the WH question form, WH questions, or you can call it information questions. Okay, let me make it, let me underline it for you. So we will say like this: what are you working on? What are you working on? So this is in continuous form. So first we have WH, and then we have to be, and then we have subject, and then we have verb ing. Okay, and then we have complement, and at the end we have question mark. And if you ask someone, who are you talking to? Okay, now let me explain shortly again. So for present continuous we have three uses. Okay, for present continuous we have three main uses. Okay, there are 3 or 4 more, but these are the main uses. So the action that the actions that are in progress right now. Means at the moment of speaking, it's going on, it's in the progress. Okay, we are studying grammar now, or at the moment, to make it very clear that this is a continuous form. Now, this, you mean this usage, so we can add now or at the moment. Next example, he's playing games on his phone now. Or I can put a slash here, slash, or at the moment. Number two, usage number two says, it is used for temporary things that are happening now, this week, or for a short period of time. For example, my brother is doing 2-month course in the UK. This 2-month course is for a short period. Okay, it's for a short period. It's not permanent. It's a temporary action. What is temporary? The doing 2-month course. You know, I have mentioned the time 2 months, so it becomes a temporary action. Next example, I'm living with my uncle on my vacations. Okay, that means when your vacations are over, you won't live with your uncle. Only because you are on vacation, you are living with your uncle. That's it. So this is a temporary action. Next, number three, to describe a picture. When you want to describe a picture, you use present continuous. In the picture, you add like this. In the picture, the man is wearing a suit, he's talking on the phone, and he's smiling. Okay, he's talking on the phone and he's smiling. The structures, I mean, how do we make the structure for present continuous? It's easy. Affirmative sentences or positive sentences. I'm working on my project this week. So first we have subject I, and then we have to be. To be's or as or am, and then the verb. This is the verb, and our verb must take what? Ing. Here we go, you put ing. Okay, let me underline this. And then we have complement as well. They're cooking dinner, so this is our subject, this is our helping verb to be, and this is verb ing. And complement. Negative sentences. Ali is not working today. Subject plus to be, this is to be, and this is not, and you can make it short also. Ali isn't working today, because when we speak we use that short form. Ali isn't working today. So subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing, and then we have complement, the verb ing. Now, students are not attending the class this week, so this is our subject, this is our to be, and you can make this one as well. You can make it short, but remember guys, you do not use short form in your writing. You only use it in your speaking. When you speak in spoken languages, we usually use the short form. So what I say, students aren't attending the class this week. So this is our subject, this is our to be, and this is negative form, short form, and this is verb ing. And then we have complement. Questions. We have two types of questions. First, this is a short answer questions. Okay, are you working now? To be, we bring the to be at the beginning of the sentence, and then we have subject, and then the verb takes ing form, and then we have complement, and at the end we put a question mark. And if you are working, so what do you say? You say, yes, I am. And if you are not working, you say, no, I'm not. Let me make it like this so I can, yeah. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay. Or I can add this one, or no, I'm not, because to make it very specific. Next one, WH questions or information questions. WH, what are you working on? We have WH. WH are all information questions. They're called WH questions. And then you have to be, you know, to be, right? And then we have subject, and then the verb takes ing and complement. Okay? So for the rules how to change, the verb, which verb takes ing, which verbs are like at the end. Some verbs they take ing, in some verbs you remove en, add ing, in some verbs if they're consonant Vowel, again you have consonant, you have to double the last consonant and add ing. Okay, so for that rules I will attach, or I write the link in the description. You can go to that and watch it. Okay, that's it. So that's all. If you have any question, please don't forget to write in the comment section. And that's all. I'm going to continue with my students. Bye bye, take care.